Hi, I'm F here. Today we'll talk about the Red Dragon keyboard. I will talk about my experience and if it is good deal or don't waste your money. So let's start. So we have here the Red Dragon Mic Pro. Of course it is mechanical keyboard with red switch and RGB. Of course, connect with USB Type C and charge with it. A dongle 2.4 and Bluetooth. It is nice to see all this with that price. Beside this, it is hot swappable and 60% keyboard, great for gaming. The build quality is great, not good, it is good. With this price, for me it is great deal and good budget gaming keyboard. So I hope you learn anything about it and see you next time.